Welcome to our Lux Soap Bar factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Lux Soap Bars are made, from raw ingredients Morning, delivery for Lux. Got the manifest right here. All right, let's see it. Seals look good. Proceed to bay 3.
Large stainless steel tanks store refined palm oil, the primary fat ingredient for Lux Soap Bars. Drums of refined coconut oil are received. Quality technicians verify oil quality and collect samples for testing.
These sealed drums of Lux signature fragrance oils create the luxurious scent of Lux Soap Bars.
Containers of glycerin and moisturizers are received and inspected. These premium additives distinguish Lux Soap Bars. Containers of approved colorants for Lux Soap Bars arrive at the facility. These colorants provide Lux Soap Bars with their attractive, consistent appearance.
Bags of titanium dioxide, providing opacity and brightness to Lux Soap Bars, are received and stored.
In the Lux Quality Control Laboratory, technicians test samples from every incoming ingredient shipment for Lux Soap Bar production.
เตียนดีสีนสิงเตียนสาวนี่รีเปลี่ยน2 จ้ำ 2 สานก็เป็นสานแดดตะค่ะยันปีสีนทรีเจอสีส่งท่านทัดจิม
All ingredients staged and verified for batch BZ459, ready for production.
Technicians continuously monitor the Lux Soap Bar sapification reaction. During Lux Soap Bar saponification, glycerin is produced as a valuable byproduct. Separation systems recover glycerin from the soap mass.
Washed Lux Soap Bar base enters the drying system to reduce moisture content. Vacuum spray drying or flash drying.
Glumps. The dried Lux Soap Bar base is extruded through noodle plates, forming the characteristic soap noodles.
งอกอยแตงเสิร์ฟเลยคนมองยังนี่ตัวไปคนทนางกินเอาไปกินโกโก้ตกตัวหลังนี้ทิ้งอ๋อในกูชินโอคนมองแกนยันเท่าสม
Approved Lux Soap Bar noodles are stored in large bins or silos as buffer inventory. The storage area maintains proper
Complete batch records document every aspect of Lux Soap Bar base production. Reaction parameters, test results.
Here, the pure soap base will be transformed into luxurious Lux Soap Bars with added fragrance, color, and skincare ingredients. Lux Soap Bar noodles are fed from storage into the Sigma mixer hopper. Conveyor systems transport measured quantities of noodles.
The distinctive Lux fragrance is added to the soap noodles in the mixer. Measured quantities of concentrated Lux fragrance oil are poured into the mixing chamber.
Colorants are added to give Lux Soap Bars their attractive appearance. Precisely measured colorant is blended into the soap mixture.
Moisturizing ingredients and skincare additives are incorporated into the Lux Soap Bar mixture. Glycerin, skin softening agents, and beauty ingredients are added. For superior Lux soap bar quality, the soap passes through duplex refiners for additional smoothness.
The continuous Lux soap bar log is cut into individual bar lengths. Precisely timed.
Lux, bringing beauty to the world.
Lux's central quality laboratory ensures every soap bar meets our high standards through rigorous chemical, physical, and sensory testing.
Specialized testing verifies total fatty matter content in Lux soap bars.
Filter bòi đường tận dùng tiền phong bà sản. Bang tuyên tham phần thunจึงเป็นคำกันเจนขอบนลับดินปิ้งกามเซิร์ฟพินเซิร์ฟผักวันหงครับ
Sensory testing ensures every Lux soap bar delivers the luxurious fragrance experience consumers love.
Wear rate testing measures how long Lux soap bars last during use. Standardized washing protocols simulate consumer use. Testing verifies Lux soap bar wrapper performance. Seal strength testing ensures wrappers remain closed. Barrier testing confirms fragrance retention. Production parameters, test results, and inspection records are verified. Only batches with complete documentation are approved.
Efficient logistics ensure rapid Lux soap bar delivery to retailers.
Phải tạm nè, được thiêng thiên ni sang cái thiến cát đà. Thiếng trai thích lỏng cát ni tham niên miền từng na.
Subscribe for more factory tours and manufacturing process.